Okay, hello guys. I'll show you my DIY chicken feeder. This is for outside because the chicken co-op are chicken insides and we also have chicken outside. So you need to feed them once a day. So we can modify this remotely. We can feed the chicken remotely using this device. So I bought this one. This is a dog feeder. So this one is a broken dog feeder. I just bought it from an online marketplace for costing 500 pesos. So I modified it to feed using chicken feeds. This one. So I completely disable its all electronic parts and use only the motor and the mechanical feeder. Okay, so this one goes the chicken feeds, and there's a distribution feeder there. So I go direct to the motor. So the motor has a distribution part. So it depends on how long you will turn this on, and the chicken will the chicken feeds will go out in this part. So it's simple. I disable all the. This is also a Wi-Fi part. This one, this dog feeder is a Wi-Fi dog feeder. But I disable it and then goes just direct to the power going to the motor. The power goes to this part. This is the original power adapter, 9 volts, and being supplied to my Wi-Fi automation. So this one, labeled A6, goes to my Wi-Fi, and I can turn on and off this device at, at intervals. So for example, I want to turn it on at 6 a.m., then it will turn on, and then off at 6:01, something like that. So you can also manually feed this by pressing this one. So later I'll show you how to do the automation part using Google Home, or you can use Alexa or any automation system. So if manual, you can do manual. You just press this one and then it feeds. Then it stops. Okay. So remotely, as long as you have internet access, you can feed the chicken anytime. Or you can automate it. You just put that in the Google Home and do set up on automation. Okay, here you go.